Hello everyone. So welcome to the second part of this series called dbt Sandbox, and today we are going to have some overview of the data that we are going to deal with. So let's jump right into it. So this here you can see that we have got a model called user, and we are going to deal with this model because it is going to give us a good starting point for inserting some static data into the database. This model contains user ID, user nickname, user subscription date, just to have some kind of an intro to macros in dbt. So yeah, a good name called subscription date. And then secondly, we are going to have another model called orders, and this is going to be an incremental model which we are going to use to generate new models for different dates. So maybe what we can do here is add order date and order date time. That's a better name, I guess. So this is going to be our main data that we are going to deal with for this series. Seems quite easy, but let's see how we can proceed. We are learning new things, and see you in the next one, in which we are going to look into how to insert static data for the user into the database using dbt. So see you in the next one.